hang on. The road's closed at the top of the hill, and I've just got to the top of the Portreath Hill. Shit.
Oh, okay.
Dumb. So I've got it.
To another level. To another level. Let's go, let's go, let's go. To another level.
Okay. Here we go. I guess this is the first Motovlog, I guess. Honestly, I'm just going for a bit of a ride. Going down the coast road. Should be pretty fun. It's been raining a little bit, so I don't know if it's going to be dry or not. I mean, it's a little bit wet here. So yeah, hopefully I don't have mic problems today. I did the last time I tried to film, but it's because I had the mic set too high on the GoPro, so this is probably going to be muddy down here as well. Let's have a look. Yep. Where should we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Outside. That's so fun. So yeah, honestly, I'm just going to try and start this because it's a bit of fun. You know, I'm riding pretty much all the time, so might as well just film it. And you're stopping. Why are you stopping? Where are you going? Oh, there's a house there, I forgot. Okay. Skirt. So yeah, just going to take you along for the ride. Obviously, I'll be filming with some other people at some point. But obviously today is pretty much a solo ride up. So yeah. Okay, that's windy, isn't it? Shit. Okay. I want to try and keep my tyres as dry as possible. I went through the only wet bit. Just flick around my squared off tyre. Why is it wet? I missed the shift twice. And again, my foot just wasn't close enough to the shifter. You would think that I'd be... Oh my god, how am I missing it? Or why am I missing it? It's like my leg just doesn't work. So yeah, this road should be... I mean, it's looking dry at the moment, but this isn't the bit that gets really muddy, so... You know, we'll find out. I mean, there's a bike there. Yeah, I mean, I did the head nod and then I did the wave. I was like, he waved, so I just felt obliged to do it back, you know. It's not super fast, but you've always got to be careful because obviously it's left-handed, you don't want to drift wide out into a car or anything, so... Yeah, because you can just feel like tiny stones just like move the wheel a little bit. Did I say will? I don't know. Hello? I am. Oh, hang on. The road's closed at the top of the hill, and I've just got to the top of the Portreath Hill. Shit.
Oh, okay.
Dumb. So I've got it. Hang on. Wait, let me pull over because I can barely hear you. Yeah, go on. Okay, well, that was Will. We get to go along this awful road where it's going to be super dark. Like you can already tell. You can probably see how bumpy it is already, but it gets much worse. Like I genuinely stand on my bike sometimes. Like look at this, look how bad this is. You go this, and then you can see how bad it really is. This is me propping myself up. Oh man, that's bad. Nyom, nyom, nyom. That sounds rather nice actually. Bit of a launch, that was kind of fun. That's a school, I think. So, a bit dodgy. Because this is bridge, hence the bridge in, I would assume. Any police? I'm going like one under. I'm looking forward to new chain and sprocket soon. So I've got chain and sprockets arrived. Then I'm waiting for a 14-tooth sprocket, which should give me a bit more acceleration, I'm hoping. Without cutting a huge amount of top speed off. So obviously I know at red line it's 89 mile an hour. Obviously I don't need to do that all the time. Sort out this stupid chain wobble that I get when I let off. Every time I let off the throttle and then use it again without using the clutch like I am now, I get this where it just wobbles me. Yeah. Yes. Oh, she's already here. I'm gonna park weird sideways. Oh, that's better. Get me key.